Good morning, class 5. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great and taking care of yourselves and being safe and using your social distancing and cleaning yourself, washing your hands properly. So, that's the basic idea everybody knows. So, it's past 7 months, it's been going on. So, just take care of yourselves and be happy. Don't be in a negative attitude or a negative mind. Be happy, listen to music, play with family, have fun, study, eat properly, sleep properly. So that's all what is needed to be healthy, right? And don't trouble your parents. So without much ado, let's get back to SSC. We were on page 60, right? On the 29th, 9:20, we left out till the poisonous gases released from vehicles. It's all about pollution, right? So smoke and domestic sources. How does smoke and domestic sources also affect our pollution? How does that pollution affect our atmosphere, the air, the society, the climate, the weather, the area? On domestic front, smoke from the use of wood and coal is in various houses contributes to air pollution. Carbon monoxide is produced by the use of gas, stoves, and cookers accumulates its if ventilation is inadequate and the appliance is poorly maintained. Bonfires and barbecues add to pollution. Burning waste such as dry leaves should be banned as it is also a cause of air pollution. All this can cause asthma, not asthma, it is asthma. The TH is silent, and bronchitis. Chlorofluorocarbons used in refrigerators affect the ozone layer in the atmosphere, which protects the earth from the harmful ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays can cause cancer. Cutting trees which absorb excess carbon dioxide. Trees play an important role in our lives. However, trees are being cut down mercilessly to build houses, make furniture, paper, etc., etc., etc. Trees take in carbon dioxide from the air and releases oxygen. Chopping of trees leads to less oxygen in the air, and living beings cannot survive without oxygen. Thus, instead of cutting trees, everybody should make an effort to plant more trees to improve the quality of life on earth. Right? So, in our kitchen, in your mommy's kitchen, or in my kitchen, so using the gas too much, I avoid using gas too much. Proper ventilation, there has to be an exhaust fan. You must make sure you have an exhaust fan in your kitchen. Or you put up a chimney. Chimneys are cheap these days, and it's also a status symbol, oh, I've got a chimney at my house. But having the chimney or having the exhaust fan does not solve the problem. You have to clean that place also. That fan has to be cleaned every month. The oil deposit and the dust, whichever it pulls, it goes and stays there. So it has to be cleaned with kerosene or soap water or hot water. The stoves which we use, the gas stoves, they have to be serviced. Their pores, their holes have to be cleaned because the carbon goes and gets accumulated there. The gas does not come out properly. The heat goes away. Your gas is consumed more. So everything has to be taken care of. Like your dad's bike or your dad's car, servicing is needed. Air filter is changed. The mobile filter is changed. The brake shoes are greased. The brake shoes are polished. The brake shoes are changed. Wheels are greased. Wheels are opened and again put back. Some gaskets are changed. So these things are needed, to keep it running properly so that it does not give us, the mobile has to be changed in time so that it does not give out too much of emission. Even though if it's a Euro 4 vehicle, you need to change mobile, right? And then burning and barbecues, bonfires. We light fire outside in the night, isn't it? That's bad. Then that is also, we are using wood or coal. Coal is also bad in the villages, in interior villages. Still now people do use wood and coal to cook, which is very bad. It will cause you asthma, breathing problems. Okay, like in Rajasthan, I'm just giving you an example. Like in Rajasthan, they cook with wood fire in the remote areas. There's no trees. Rajasthan, desert area. I don't know how they burn it, and that smoke stays in that house. No trees to take in that carbon dioxide. No good ventilation in the house. Your pressure cooker is not clean. Your utensil is not clean. It's become dark and it's taking that heat and it's giving out that smoke. Your air doesn't get clean. Plants are not there in your place. Build plant. If you have a garden, plant trees. I am telling you, you will feel fresh. Your heart will feel good that you have planted something. You will start caring for that. Once you start caring for one tree, you will start slowly, you will start caring for the whole earth, for the whole world. You will teach people. People will listen to you. And the fridge also releases chlorofluorocarbons in refrigerators, affect the ozone layer. That also gives out, that heat comes out from the back of the fridge. That's why it said you must keep at least 2 feet distance from the wall. Then the fridge is going to work properly. There's a gas inside it. There's a gas cylinder below that, which is filled like the AC car. AC car, it does not generate AC car. There's a cylinder which there's AC, the gas is filled inside it. That gas is used to condition the air for that compressor to work. In our school area, there are so much of trees. The air is so good, but once we come into Muzaffarpur, the air changes. Breathing becomes problem from that railway crossing. Right. So we must try to plant more trees. Water pollution. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances are released into the water bodies such as river or lake. Various types of pollutants enter the water bodies through sewage, industrial waste, waste materials of the farms. The pollutants harm the plants. These pollutants harm the plant and animal life of the water bodies and also make the water unfit for human beings. The fish which are found in these water bodies, if consumed, may lead to various waterborne diseases such as dysentery, jaundice, and also cause various skin disease. Industry should take steps to detoxify the waste materials before they are discharged in water bodies. Sewage should be also treated before it is discharged into a water body. Human beings should also keep the water bodies clean. They should not wash or bathe in them. Okay. Come back in the next video, then I'll explain.